Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2016 Lexus NX 200T Executive Package in the Caviar finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition. Vehicle is also equipped with the factory remote starter, automatic high beam, park assist sensor switch, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, pre-collision system, center locking differential, heated steering wheel, power folding rear seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, head-up display, a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, drive mode select, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, sunroof, power adjustable rear seats, black interior, great condition. And of course comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.